Everyone, I'm Khushi from Team Bharat Safety. Today, we are presenting PCRM, a platform to improve how governments can handle citizen issues. Now, let's start with the problem.
Think about the last time you had a problem with your government. A broken road, dirty water, a streetlight that's been dead for a month. You called, waited, called again. You went to the Nagar Nigam office. They said write an application. You wrote it, and then nothing. No one called back. No one knows who got your complaint. No one knows if anyone is even working on it. And the person sitting inside that government office, they are drowning too. Hundreds of WhatsApp messages, paper slips on the dusty table, phone calls that they can't track. No system to know what's done, what's pending, and what's completely forgotten. The problem is not that the government doesn't care. The problem is that there is no system, no record, no owner, no deadline, and no accountability. And for what we are exactly here to change. So we have built a solution where a citizen files a complaint. Within seconds, they receive a tracking ID in their email. They can check the status anytime, no login, no app, just the tracking ID. On the government side, every complaint has a department, a responsible officer, and a deadline counter. If the deadline is missed, the system accelerates it automatically. No complaint gets lost, no deadline gets ignored, and no one can say, I didn't know. So, this is political CRM.
This is PCRM, a platform where citizens can submit complaints and government departments can manage and resolve them efficiently. The platform is built using Next.js on the front end with 3.js for the interactive visuals and powered by Node.js and PostgreSQL backend. It is designed to support multiple municipalities on the same infrastructure. So now let's go inside. Here, a citizen opens the submit complaint page where no account is required. They simply enter their details, choose the complaint category and describe the problem. Once the complaint is submitted, the system generates a tracking ID at the very instant. Our built-in AI analyzes the complaint description and automatically assigns a priority level. The citizen immediately receives a confirmation email containing the tracking ID, which can be used to track the complaint status later. Not every citizen submits complaint online. Many people simply call a help desk or municipal office. In those situations, a call operator can log into the system and file the complaint on behalf of the citizen. The same workflow runs automatically: AI priority detection, tracking ID generation, and system notification, which ensures that the complaint from multiple channels are captured in one system. Now I have logged in as a super admin. The dashboard provides a real-time overview of the entire complaint system. We can see key matrices such as total complaints, open cases, resolved cases, and SLA breaches. One of the most powerful visualization here is the complaint distribution map of India. This map represents the overall distribution of the complaints currently present in the system. As the platform scales across municipalities, administrators will be able to quickly identify regions experiencing higher complaint volumes and operational pressure. Now let's follow the complaint we created earlier. Initially, the complaint appears with the status open. The admin assigns it to the appropriate department. The department head then assigns to a specific officer. As soon as the assignment happens, the system automatically sends notification. The citizen receives an email confirming the assignment and the assigned officer receives the complaint details at the very instant. The officer begins working on the issue and marks the complaint in progress. Once the issue is resolved, the status changes to resolved. Using the tracking ID, the citizen can view the full timeline of the complaint without logging in. This creates full transparency in the complaint resolution process. Once the complaint is resolved, the user can also submit feedback about the resolution. But what happens if a complaint is ignored? Every complaint in the system has a defined deadline. Our SLA engine continuously monitors all the active complaints. If the deadline approaches, the complaint is flagged as at risk. If the deadline is missed, the system automatically escalates the complaint and notifies senior staff. This ensures that no complaint silently disappears in the system. Beyond complaint tracking, PCRM includes several operational tools. Audit logs maintain a transparent history of all the system actions. File attachment allow officers to upload photos or documents as evidence. Citizens can also rate the resolution experiences, helping administrations measure service quality. This platform also supports the department and officer management along with the real-time system notification. Thank you.
Talking about the business potential and feasibility of our project. The scale of this problem is enormous. India has over 4,000 municipalities, and every day they receive thousands of citizens' complaints, most of them still managed by paper files, phone calls, and scattered WhatsApp messages. PCRM converts that entire process into a structured, trackable digital system with ownership, deadlines, and automated escalation. Because the platform is built as a multi-tenant SaaS architecture, a single infrastructure can serve hundreds of municipalities simultaneously while keeping their data fully isolated. With a subscription model for city governments and integration with smart city initiatives, PCRM can rapidly scale across districts, states, and eventually entire countries. It is not just a project, it's an infrastructure for accountable digital governance.